Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the missing number. And we have to find here the missing number in the second box. Here we have given the numbers like that. In first box it is 7. Now we have to find the number in this second box. Okay, here we can observe 22 plus 7 is 29. Then 19 plus 8 is 27. So here 23 plus 10 will be 33. 22 plus 7 is 29. 19 plus 8 is 27. So 23 plus 10 will give 33. Hence missing number is 10.